Methylene Blue benefits. I've been using Methylene Blue for a week, 10 drops every other day. So far I noticed an improved smooth energy through the day with no major drop-off at the end. For a couple of weeks I was low on energy, most likely due to overtraining at the gym. I was feeling a definite drop-off at the end of the day, so I have a good comparison point. It is not a high like you get with caffeine but a focused okayness type of energy. I have also noticed that my negative thoughts in the morning are less, not sure if this is related, but it is a noticeable effect. It's only been a week, so I will report back in a couple of weeks. I plan to keep taking 10 drops every other day. I am especially interested of the effect it has on my HIIT training stamina. What is Methylene Blue? Methylene Blue is the first complete man-made drug. It was originally synthesized as a textile dye in 1876. Methylene Blue has been used in surgical staining, malaria, and methemoglobinemia. However, its antioxidative properties have been discovered recently, which has led to a deeper understanding of Methylene Blue's benefits. It is an FDA-approved medicine. If you decide to try it, make sure it is USP pharmaceutical grade, not the type used to clean fish tanks. 1. Brain-boosting nootropic. Because it improves brain respiration, cerebral blood flow and mitochondria in the brain, Methylene Blue improves memory, mood and focus. Methylene Blue crosses the blood-brain barrier quickly, so you might notice its effects in as little as 1 hour. Interestingly, it is long-term contextual memory that is improved most. This is the memory of why you remember something. For instance, a smell may remind you of your childhood home and the great moments you experienced. Methylene Blue also increases your ability to understand new information on the first go, and retain it. In addition to improving brain respiration, Methylene Blue improves memory by increasing glucose uptake to the brain. This increases ATP, adrenaline triphosphate, the main energy the body uses for cell function. And because it is also an antioxidant, it prevents the extra oxygen turning into oxidative stress, one of the main causes of brain aging. 2. Mitochondria function. In simple terms, as we age, the mitochondria function diminishes, which leads to negative things happening in our body. This in turn damages mitochondria further. This cycle has negative effects on our brain, muscle function and our skin. Methylene Blue's antioxidative properties improve mitochondrial function and breaks this cycle. This makes it an interesting anti-aging drug. 3. Youthful Skin. After using Methylene Blue, people have noticed better skin texture and it looks younger and smooth. As you age, your mitochondria function reduces, your hormones change and your skin becomes less efficient at using oxygen. This means you will have more free radicals and other negative processes in your body. All of this leads to less collagen and reduced skin elasticity. Because Methylene Blue targets the mitochondria and eats up the results of the negative process in your body, it helps with skin aging by providing increased oxygen to your skin. It also increases the longevity of healthy skin cells, which in turn increases collagen and elastin production. 4. Depression. In a study exploring the effectiveness of Methylene Blue for treating severe depression, 15 mg per day of the drug was tested against a placebo over a 3-week period. The trial was structured to minimize both placebo responses and observer bias. Results showed a significantly greater improvement in patients treated with Methylene Blue compared to those given the placebo. This suggests that Methylene Blue, at a dosage of 15 mg per day, may be an effective antidepressant, warranting additional clinical research as to the effectiveness of Methylene Blue treatment. Important: do not take Methylene Blue while taking antidepressants. 5. Alzheimer's. Alzheimer patients have a buildup of tau proteins. These cause inflammation and cell damage in the brain. Methylene Blue stops this buildup. There are other molecular processes that are related to Alzheimer's that Methylene Blue also inhibits. This includes improving the pathways for serotonin, choline and glutamate. And as we have discovered, it improves the way a brain cell utilizes oxygen, a major reason why the brain loses function. Methylene Blue dosage. Based on studies on humans and animals, the recommended dose range is 0.5 mg to 4 mg per kilogram of body weight, to experience the Methylene Blue benefits. There is no real consensus on this, so make sure you start with the lowest dose. Take advice and do your research if you want to take a higher amount. Mitochondria function negative cycle as we age, a little more detail. As we age, we have a lower mitochondria mass and its function becomes less efficient. Also, the protein in the mitochondria are reduced. This occurs all over the body, including the brain cell mitochondria. This leads to lower oxidative capacity, the muscle's capacity to use oxygen, decreases ATP production, and an increases free radicals in the body. Free radicals are impaired processes in the body. According to the free radicals theory of aging, cell and tissue aging are a result of free radicals attacks. ATP is the energy that is used in many cell processes like muscle contraction, cell signaling, protein synthesis and other cell processes. It is the primary energy. The majority of it is created by mitochondria. The reduction in ATP and increase in free radicals damages the mitochondria further, creating a vicious cycle that accelerates aging. One of the key ways methylene blue helps is by enhancing cellular oxygen consumption without oxidative stress. This in turn leads to greater cellular energy via ATP. Conclusion: methylene blue can be used as a nootropic and to make your skin look young, smooth and vibrant. Mitochondrial dysfunction is a major cause of the aging process. Methylene blue improves key mitochondrial biochemical pathways and helps by increasing brain cell respiration, without oxidative stress. If you want to experience the methylene blue benefits, start with the lowest dose. ReflectivesElf.com